All right, here's a question where you are asked to model this data and then come up with some kind of a function and then also answer a question based on that. So I've already typed all the data in decimals, and now what I need to do is write out a function for it. And you can write both the, you can write the vertex form or the ax squared form. Either of them will work. I'll maybe do both. So y1 and then a tilde, and then ax1 squared plus bx plus c. Uh-oh, I forgot to put a 1 on that x. Plus c. Okay, there we go. So when I take a look at that, it gives me the function, and I could write it out. I'll write it on the side here. So it'll be y is equal to a, down there's minus 5.3. I'll just round things to one decimal place. X squared plus 9.96. Okay, maybe I'll round to two decimal places. X plus c is 1.3. So I could write it like that, but up in the question it says, when does the ball reach the maximum height? So I know that it reaches the maximum height up here somewhere, but I'm not exactly sure where that is. So what I could do, but I know that that point is the vertex. So what I could do is, if this will let me, type in the other format. So y1 tilde a bracket x1 minus h all squared plus k. So that's the vertex format. And let me write what it gives me. So whoops. So y is equal to a is negative 5.3, knew that. And then x minus the x coordinate of the vertex is 0.95 squared plus k 6.05. Okay, so in the question it says what's the maximum height? Well, the information from here and here give me that information because that's the vertex, that's that point at the top there. Maybe let me erase that and see if I can tap on there. Yeah, there we go. 0.948, close, and 6.053. So that is the vertex. So the 0.948 is the time, and this would be the height. But then they ask another question. So what's the maximum height? That. What time does it meet the maximum height? That, just short of a second. And then it says, what will the height of the parabola be after 1.35 seconds? So that's a time, so I'm going to plug that in right there. So I want to solve for y, the height, and I'll put in my 1.35 right here, minus 0.95 squared, plus 6.05. And I'll just type that in my calculator, and it'll give me what that height is. Okay, hopefully that helps you with that question.